Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover deleted Instagram account. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, to recover a deleted Instagram account, you must go ahead and log in or log back in within 30 days of requesting the deletion. Again, if it's within 30 days, you can just go ahead and easily download back the app and then log in, and you should be good to go. Now, what if it has been more than 30 days? Well, unfortunately, the account is permanently gone and it cannot be restored. All right, I hope that's clear. All right, again, if your account was deleted just within 30 days, say, for example, you deleted your Instagram account on July 1st, okay? You can still recover it as it's still the 22nd, right? If it hits 30 days right here, well, unfortunately, you can try, but if it doesn't let you log in, well, that means it's already gone. That is how you recover your deleted Instagram account. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.